Hello everyone. Last class we have seen the list of formulae in marginal costing. Now we are going to work out the problems in marginal costing. In this problem, you have been given sales and profit for the 2 years 2010 and 11, and you have been asked to calculate PV ratio, fixed cost, break-even sales, profit when sales are rupees 1 lakh, margin of safety at a profit of rupees 10,000. So first we have to calculate the PV ratio. In order to calculate the PV ratio, the formula you have to apply here is change in profit divided by change in sales. So change in profit in the sense you have to take the difference between the 2011 and 2010 profit. So 20,000 minus 15,000, which is 5,000. Similarly, you have to calculate the change in sales. So the difference between the 2011 and 2010 sales, 1,60,000 minus 1,40,000, so 20,000. So we know the change in profit, we know the change in sales. Now we have to apply in the formula. So PV ratio is equal to change in profit is 5,000, change in sales is 20,000 into 100. So as I already told you, the profit volume ratio will be expressed in terms of percentage. So therefore the answer will be 25%. Next, what you have been asked to calculate is fixed cost. So in order to calculate the fixed cost, the formula what you are going to apply is sales into PV ratio minus profit. Now in this problem, there are 2 year sales has been given in the problem, 2010 and 11. You can take any 1 year sales of your choice. So suppose if you are taking the first year sales, 1,40,000 into PV ratio is 25%. 25% can be written as 0.25 minus the profit for the year 2010, which is given in the problem 15,000. So you have to calculate 1,40,000 into 0.25% minus 15,000. So the final answer will be rupees 20,000. So you have calculated the fixed cost. Next one, what you have been asked to calculate is break-even point. So break-even point, as I already told you, in the absence of information, you calculate the break-even point in rupees. The formula to calculate break-even point in rupees is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost in the previous step, we have calculated the fixed cost 20,000, PV ratio 25%, which can be written as 0.25%. So 20,000 divided by 0.25, which is equal to rupees 80,000. Next, what you have been asked to calculate is profit when sales are rupees 1 lakh. Here in this problem, we have been given the sales has been given as rupees 1 lakh. That means when sales are rupees 1 lakh, what will be my profit? So you should take the sales as 1 lakh. So the profit formula is sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Sales is 1 lakh. Again PV ratio 25% can be expressed in 0.25. 1 lakh into 0.25 minus 20,000. So 1 lakh into 0.25 is 25,000 minus 20,000, 5,000. So therefore the profit is rupees 5,000. Next one, you have been asked to calculate is margin of safety at a profit of rupees 10,000. So margin of safety, again as I told you, there are two formulas. One is profit divided by PV ratio. Another one is actual sales minus break-even sales. But in this problem, at a profit of rupees 10,000 it has been given in the problem. So you can substitute, you can apply the formula profit divided by PV ratio. So profit has been given as 10,000 and PV ratio has been given as 25%. So 10,000 divided by 25% or 0.25, which is equal to rupees 40,000.